So, hi students. So today we are going to learn about Form 2 Science Revision KSSM Part 5. So previously we are talking about the straw. Straw A, B, and C, and which straw we want to take. Okay, so we want to take A straw because um, the hole is down here obviously. Okay, so suggest a way to enable the other drinker straw to suck up water from the container. So what are the other way? So this is the picture. So the answer is cover the hole in drinking straw with the finger and suck up the water. I feel this answer is very funny because
不要笑我。
because now you need to use your hand to cover the straw, but I don't know. This is the answer from the book. Okay, next question. An astronaut wear a special suit when he step out of the spacecraft. Correct or not? Astronaut, when you go up to the moon, you need to wear the special suit. What will happen if he does not wear
还是让我答案。
a space suit? Explain your answer. So the answer is he will expand and explode because the pressure inside his body is higher. Okay, so it will explode and because the pressure inside the body is higher than the air outside, correct or not? So basically you will die a painful death because our body got lung, got oxygen. So I can imagine you cannot breathe because the lung suddenly don't have the air. And then because your blood also got oxygen, correct or not? Your blood got oxygen, got vessel. So my other students say your hand, your skin will start to crack. I also think it's true because there's air bubble in your skin, correct or not? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. So I think the air will come out from your vessel, then the blood will come out slowly, and then your brain. Oh my god, I cannot think about the brain. The brain, all the things start to come out from your brain because your brain also got the blood, got oxygen, so it will start to come out. Oh my god, this is the most painful death ever. Okay, so next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Diagram 12.1 show the apparatus used by Ramlee to carry out a food test. So he want to do a food test. He do a lot of things, filtration, a lot of things. Name the nutrient test for the each PQRS. So let me zoom in a bit. So this one you need to remember lah, huh? P he want to use a litmus paper, is it? So if you use litmus paper and the litmus paper like got the first I cannot see you, but after I put the something I can see you. It's proof what? Litmus paper is to test what? Okay, to test fat. Because we are talking about litmus paper, so it's to test the fat lah, the litmus paper. Okay, let's look at Q. Q is using Mylon, like Milo, Mylon. Mylon is to test what? Very good. Okay, Q is to test protein. Mylon, maybe you can remember Milo got a lot of protein. So it's to test protein. Benedict, like Pop Benedict like that lah. So Benedict is to test what? Correct. Okay. Benedict is to test sugar, or we call it glucose. Just remember maybe I remember Pop Benedict, and then I remember him very fat. So because he's very fat, he eat a lot of sugar. Okay, so he eat a lot of glucose. Iodine to test what? Correct. Okay, iodine to test starch. Correct or not? If the yellow medicine you put on your rice, then it will turn dark blue, showing that the rice that you eat got starch. If Ramlee uses cake as the food sample or the experiment, P, Q, R, and S show positive reaction. Okay, maybe because I know maybe a cake, like what, a cake got a lot of starch, I don't know, or got glucose, something like that. Complete table 12 by setting the color change in each test tube Q, R, and S. So a cake, so for Q, Q is to test protein. So if got protein, it will change from purple to dark red. Okay, so just right here, purple to dark red. Okay, R is to test glucose. So obviously it got cake mark, very sweet, right? So if you turn from this one, you need to memorize. Okay, blue to reddish orange. Some book will write orange, some book will write reddish orange, something like that. But anything, okay? Because depend on what book. S for S is to test the starch. So it will from be brown to dark blue. Brown to dark blue. Two also can, okay? So you can either write brown or yellow. Both also can. Okay, next question. The pie chart in diagram 12.2 show a component analysis of three meals A, B, and C. So A, B, and C are vitamin D, and then got calcium, and then got the black color one is vitamin C, the darker one. Okay. So based on the component analysis shown above, which meal is the most suitable to develop healthy bone and teeth? Let me highlight this one. Explain your answer. So you want to eat A, B, or C. So the answer will be vitamin B. Okay. Why vitamin? Because actually we can see that we need. You see here. Here got calcium. You can see here not got calcium. And there is the vitamin D at here. Okay, so we can see that actually vitamin C, calcium is for strong teeth, strong bone and teeth, correct or not? But we also need vitamin D because vitamin D is for absorption of calcium, absorption of calcium, to absorb the calcium. So we need to balance vitamin, calcium, and vitamin D. If you got a lot of calcium, you don't have vitamin D, also no use. Because you eat, then your berak come out, then you got nothing. You eat, then you must absorb. That's why sometimes it's not just the milk. Some people think like, oh, I don't have calcium, I just drink and bone. But sometimes due to lack of vitamin D, you cannot absorb, your body cannot absorb. Like as you grow older, especially for old people, for ladies, it's not like when they drink, I drink 3 glass of milk, I don't have milk problem, I don't have calcium problem. No, you drink 3 glass of milk per day, you have calcium bone problem. Because your body start to get old, your body might not able to absorb the nutrient. So maybe you need the supplement or some food with vitamin D will help you. Okay, so we want to balance it. So that's why we choose B. C is wrong because you can see here, the calcium is so big. But you don't, this one so small, so you eat a lot but your body cannot absorb, so there is actually no point in it. The enzyme renin that found in the stomach coagulate liquid milk protein into solid milk protein. So correct or not, the stomach, remember stomach got acid, correct or not? Your stomach got a very strong acid. Why? To kill what? Kill bacteria, kill microorganisms. In fact, if you are to swallow a razor blade, the shaving razor blade, your stomach can dissolve the metal blade. Okay, so it's quite safe. Okay, almost anything like your stomach will actually dissolve it. Okay, found in the stomach coagulate liquid and milk protein into solid, correct or not? What is the advantage of coagulation of milk protein to a baby? I think this question is really quite hard, okay? It prevents the baby from getting hungry easily, okay? So as you drink the milk will become like solid, so the baby will feel full. So I will teach until here. So see you during the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.